For those ready to bring it and need 30,000 pounds of monstrous towing power, it's time to get a professional-grade fifth wheel hitch. The CURT PowerRide has been engineered to give you industry-leading fifth wheel towing capacity with the premium quality and features you've come to expect. The CURT PowerRide 30K fifth wheel hitch is designed for ease of use while having the capability to tow the largest fifth wheel trailers on the market today. The head of the PowerRide is comprised of a cast steel yoke with a multi-directional tilt to provide a smoother ride and quieter connection. The hitch has a cast steel body for exceptional strength and operating precision. And it uses 2 interlocking jaws to fully wrap the kingpin for less chucking. To ensure long-lasting use, the fifth wheel plate is equipped with integrated wear indicator plates. These plates not only promote smoother towing, but eliminate the need for messy grease. PowerRide features a self-resetting handle and a built-in coupling indicator. The handle self-resets after uncoupling your trailer, making it ready to couple again without an extra step. The color-coded indicator shows the coupling status, giving you a clear sight on the towing connection without having to frequently climb in and out of the truck bed. The head assembly is attached with a single pin, allowing you to quickly dismantle the hitch into smaller components for lighter, easier handling. The hitch is also equipped with strategically placed grip points for a comfortable, confident hold when installing or removing the hitch. PowerRide can be installed with CURT's industry-first 40K rails or other industry-standard rail options, including OEM puck systems. PowerRide is rated for 30,000 pounds gross trailer weight and 7,500 pounds of tongue weight. Safety is our #1 concern. This hitch has been tested according to SAE J2638 specifications, giving you and yours peace of mind on the road. Experience professional-grade towing on your next adventure with the PowerRide 30K fifth wheel hitch from CURT.